Hello, good morning everybody. Welcome to the Wisdomania. We have today's session of Sunday, 14th June. What we used to do of today's session is reading newspaper. Wisdomania is a mania for wisdom, and to achieve the mania for wisdom, we need to first achieve the information and knowledge. Speaking is the age of information era. If we are not being informed and thoroughly, then we cannot become a man of wisdom. So we have taken this initiative to empower ourselves with knowledge first and information, and then we will convert into applications by developing our wisdom. So how to get knowledge? Knowledge requires source. There are two sources of requiring knowledge: primary source and secondary source. Most of the time we go by secondary source. A newspaper is a secondary source. Magazine is a secondary source. Magazine is the secondary source, and the primary sources are like what we gain experience, what we listen from others in terms of interview, watching television channels, watching videos, watching YouTubes, and speaking with the people. So we have my advice to all of you, to the Wisdomany and those who are watching our video from outside, the viewers, that I have been telling to my students that every student or every human being should acquire a skill of reading newspaper from their childhood. The second part is that, does it boring to read newspaper? It's not boring, because newspaper is the window to the world. Newspaper cover entire newses. Now I will tell today how to read newspaper. This is the newspaper called Times of India. This Times of India, you have to first think. You have whatever you know or whatever you want to know, you should go into the depth of information. The Times of India is a newspaper name, means it's a brand name. Product called print media. It is being printed. Okay. And the company name is written here is Bennett and Coleman. Bennett, Coleman and Company Limited. This is the company who created a brand called Times of India, very old newspaper. If you want to go back to the history of Times of India, when it was started, it's all, you have to search in Wikipedia and you need to start. India's leading English newspaper, it has written here. Now, as I told, newspaper covered like a pyramid structure. This is called journalism. The who developed this news? The journalists. Where from they collect? They differently collect from primary sources. The reporter, news reporter, journalists, they used to go to the place and they collect information. They send it to their office. Editor edit that information and newses, and finally it is published. This is the process. So as I told you, newspaper follow pyramid structure. You have seen base of the pyramid. The news flow from the top of the pyramid to the lower base of the pyramid. That means every news, if you follow, the first paragraph consider the top of the pyramid. The moment you start reading, the pyramid will expand. It will expand to the base. That means news will be elaborate. First it will be summary, concise news, then more you read, it will go into the details, and it shows like a pyramid structure of the newspaper. And to make it systematic and arranged, newspaper follow the pages. Front pages newses are very important newses. Second page, I am talking about Times of India. Second page is Times and City. Look at the This is all the news are from the city. This is also Times of City. Third page. Fourth page is Times City. Fourth page also cover. City means from the city it is published. Each of the newspaper published from each city.
City from news.
Thirty from it is printing. The city that is printed. That is their main head office where they collect. So they give prior importance to the city. Then fifth page considering Times Nation. It is about the news of the nation. Like this newspaper published from Calcutta. So front page is the most important news. These news has been selected by the editor, a group of committee. Which news they pass? So what I mean to say, the news in the front page published as per the importance, the gravity of the situation.
They are important news of ye.
So 1st June, the first news has published ahead of unlocking highest one-day jump in COVID case. What is that? India's count now 8th highest in the world. So I am reading the first paragraph. You can understand the total.
India is now 4th ye.
Now I am talking about 1st June. On the last day of lockdown 4, as both the central and state government prepared for a phased unlocking of curves to get the economy up and running again, India saw its highest ever jump in COVID-19 infection with 8,237 cases being reported during the day. That is the main news. That's why it was published in the front page. Like I told you, 5th page is like Times Nation. 6th page is also Nation, the news from the nation.
And
7th page is the global news outside India.
World. All over
news.
the world.
World news
What happened in all over the
in
world?
the entire world. So, at the next page is most important page, is called editorial page. This page is called affiliating the comfort of the affiliate. This page is very important of any newspaper. This page contains the informations and knowledge. Here, if you can see the backdrop, you will see two editorial. So what are the main functions of the editorial page? Editorial page is the reflections of the opinion of that newspaper group. What editor of the newspaper thinks and opine about a news or about the issue. And so, in the left hand side, you will find the expert opinion. Like in the false promise of self-reliance. It is written by Saradanand Dhum about an inward-looking India would quickly slide towards close-mindedness, chronicism and mediocrity. Chinese actions are extremely risky. If they adopt a more belligerent stance, it could complicate a resolution. These are the news of expert opinion of it. Now India and China are in tension on border. So this person, he is a person from Indian Army. He has written his views. So this page is extremely important for students, for job seeker, for wisdomany, because this page will give you the real skill of analyzing things. You can analyze any situation or any issue if you read the expert opinion much more. From the expert opinion, we can brainstorm further. So that, and this is a editorial. It must be written. It must be read, because editorial page is nothing but the opinion of that group on the issue. It reflects the thinking and the analysis that newspaper group is pondering on. So editorial page is very important to read. Next is business. All the news about across the world, India about business. And third page you say sports. All the news
All the related to sports news.
on the news related to sports and field. And the last page is about this page is about food and hygiene. Leisure means অবসর, leisure and that wellness. And this last page contains the cinema, entertainment and movie. So you can see an entire newspaper is covering entire
Word.
area, from sports to movie to politics.
Which movie today brought? Which sports today? Organized. Which
I
meeting
think
should be
to say,
organized?
if you read a newspaper, now the significance of reading a newspaper. If you read a newspaper, you will have a plethora of knowledge from the different field. Not only politics, but also sports.
All
but
knowledge
also-
about today.
Also entertainment, but also from economics, also from business. These are different field that we should know. If we are economic student, we should know what is happening across the world in the periphery of economy. That's why I used to say, or I have listened to many people, many eminent scholars, that student require or anybody requires the connect to concept. Nowadays we are reading book, textbook, taking notes from teacher, and we vomiting the notes to exam and we forget. But the real, those who are wants to earn knowledge, those who wants to earn their wisdom, they should have the skill to connect to concept. What you are reading from book, what you are reading from your notes given by your tutor, you should connect with some of the incident. Are you getting my point? That's only possible when you read newspaper rigorously. You should be an avid reader of newspaper. And not only that, this is an English newspaper. You want to improve your English communication skill, be it written, be it verbally. Only one way is to read newspaper to start with. There are other ways. You can read magazine also, but magazine, I think it's an advanced stage. Once you will gain a habit of reading paper regularly, automatically you will start, because most of in English language the student and the others face a problem of understanding the sentence because they don't know the meaning of the words.
Communication gap.
So that they feel disinterest and they leave it. If they have to see many words every time which are unknown to them, they after a certain period of time they will lose interest, they will leave it. So that's why I want to express to all of you, read newspaper if you want to develop your English communication skill. It will serve various purpose. You can collect vocabulary. This is an excellent source of secondary information. It's an excellent source of vocabulary, idioms. You will collect it, and every day the same words you will find. You will gain interest. An excellent source of current affairs, general knowledge, and more important, your ability to analyze that situation will be much more powerful. We require analytical mind. Those who mug up in exam, they never grow up. Those who analyze that exam, they analyze the things and portray, they are actually the winners. So, viewers, to me, I am giving you the bottom line. Read newspaper regularly, a vernacular newspaper and the English newspaper, to develop your skill and competency towards becoming a depository of knowledge. Thank you.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Please like, if you like our session, please put a like and select our bell icon to subscribe with us. Thank you.